Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a pair of tweezers. These tools will help you safely open the device and handle the components without causing damage. First, power off your Razer RZ09-0369 and disconnect it from any power source. This is crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during the repair. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of the laptop tontai. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove all screws and place them in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Start one corner and work your way around, being cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the clips holding the panel in place. With the back panel removed, you will see the internal components of the laptop. Take a moment to clean any dust or debris using compressed air. This will help maintain the performance of your device and ensure a clean working environment. Now, locate the screen connector. It is usually secured with a few screws. Carefully remove these screws and disconnect the cable by gently pulling it out. If you find it difficult to reach, using tweezers can help you grip the connector without applying too much pressure. Next, you will need to remove the screen itself. Look for additional screws that secure the screen to the hinges. Remove these screws and gently lift the screen away from the base. Be cautious, as the screen may still be connected to the laptop via a cable. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable performing this repair, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. Our team can handle the replacement for you, ensuring a professional diagnosis without obligation. Once the old screen is removed, take your new screen and align it with the hinges. Secure it in place by replacing the screws you previously removed. Reconnect the screen cable, ensuring it is firmly seated in its connector. After securing the new screen, it's time to reassemble your laptop out. Place the back panel back onto the device and press down gently to snap it into place. Replace all screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened properly, but not over-tightened, as this could strip the screws. Finally, power on your Razer RZ09-0369 to test the new screen. If everything is functioning correctly, congratulations! You have successfully replaced the screen. If you encounter any issues, remember we provide a quote before repair, so you can get professional help without any hidden costs. This process may seem daunting, but with the right tools and a little patience, you can successfully replace the screen on your Razer RZ09-0369. If you have any questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out for help. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description.